Good morning, Temina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In this video, we will see the basic fact and relationship of angles. Now, this is a series of videos in which I will cover the entire concept of angles. You will see the link in the description below. So, not only triangle, quadrilateral, little polygon also, right? So, all the facts related to angles and lines you will learn in these series of videos. So, this is video number 1. So first of all, few facts about the angles and relationship with context to that. I have drawn and written little things in advance so that the length of the video can be kept shorter. So let's start one by one. Angles on a line. And before that, you need to know what is an angle. So let me describe here what is an angle. When two lines are joined, you can see here. When two lines are joined, for example, line AB and line BC. These are the lines, right? So when two lines are joined and this measurement between them is called angle. So in other words, I can say if I have a line here and I want to see how much it is rotated. For example, it was rotated from here till here. So this rotation is called the measurement of angle, right? And the corner is called vertex. You can see here where two lines are met. This is called vertex. Another important thing is the language. Angle ABC. When it is written like this, the letter in the center is representing where angle is made or you have to measure or you have to draw. That is called angle. I'm talking about angle B. Now, angle on a line. Coming back to first point. Angle on a line. This is a straight line. Everyone knows that angle on a straight line is 180 degree, right? In this diagram, the line is divided into two parts with the help of another line. So this is one angle, this is another angle, but the sum of these two is equals to 180. So for example, if this is 40, then y will be 140, right? So this is called angle on a line. Another very important, which is called angle around a point. In this one, if this is a point, no matter how many angles you divide it into, right, like this, sum of each one of them will be equals to 360. So this is called angle around the point. As I said, in this video, we will learn the terminologies and the meaning of the different terms, which we will use to solve questions later on. Perpendicular angle, it means it is 90 degree. And this is the symbol for perpendicular. This symbol is called perpendicular symbol. So MN is perpendicular to PQ. It means you have 90 degree here. And in a right angle triangle, you can see here XY is perpendicular to YZ. Why I am emphasizing on the language? Because the maths terminologies and language is very important to understand. Only then when word problem comes, you will be able to solve it. Where problems mostly comes when a student cannot solve it. They cannot understand the question. So perpendicular angle and right angle is the same, 90 degrees there. Now few types of angles. Acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? Angle which is greater than, this is a symbol for greater than. If angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. I have drawn here few acute angle. Your focus should be on the language. ABC is less than 90. So you can see here we are talking about angle B. DEF less than 90. By the way, you can also say it here FED. You can write like this also, but E has to be in the center. Why? Because angle is drawn at E. Similarly, MNP is less than 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. I have drawn here for you. Language ABC is greater than 90 degree. PQR is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so obtuse angle you know. Then comes a straight angle, which I have just shown you in the first slide. So any straight line will always make 180 degree. A straight line could be like this, could be like this. So you have to focus on the diagram what we are talking about. Reflex angle. It is an angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, right? So now see here, language ABC greater than 180 degree. If I write here ABC less than 90 degree, then which angle I am talking about? This one. So it all depends how it is written. That will give you clear hint what we are talking about. Or you want to write CBA, you can write that also. CBA is less than 90 degree, and if you write CBA is greater than 180, it means I'm talking about this side. So depends what you're talking about. Here also DEF is greater than 180 degree. So in the next video we will see how to measure angle and how to draw angles.